In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change language in Odoo. If you are working in Odoo and you want the interface to appear in your preferred language, you can update that setting from your user profile. This is helpful because it can make labels, menus, and buttons easier to read, especially if you are switching between teams or working in a multilingual environment. To get started, open your Odoo instance in your web browser. Once you are on the main dashboard or any page inside Odoo, look at the top right area of the screen. You should see your user menu, often shown with your profile or initials. From there, you will go to your user profile. Next, click on your profile area in the top right menu and choose My Profile. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct option, because My Profile is the section where personal preferences are stored for your user account. When you click it, the page should refresh or switch to a profile screen where you can manage settings related to how Odoo behaves for you. Now that you are on your profile page, look for the word Preference. In many layouts, it appears as a tab, a heading, or a section that groups your configurable options. Click Preference to open the Preferences area. This is the part of the interface where Odoo lets you control things like language, date formats, and other user-specific behaviors. Once you are in the Preference section, find the Language field. This is the specific setting that controls which language Odoo will display for your user. The field might show your current language selected in a drop-down list, or it might appear as a text field with an option selector. Carefully locate it so you do not change the wrong setting. After you find the language field, click it to display the available language choices. From the list, select your preferred language. For example, if you want the interface in a different language than what you currently see, choose that language from the drop-down. Take a second to confirm that you selected the correct option, since this selection determines the language used across the interface. After selecting your preferred language, you will then save your changes. Look for the Save button on the profile or preference screen and click Save. This step matters because it applies your updated preference to your user account. Without saving, the language change may not persist the next time you load Odoo. As soon as you click Save, you may notice the interface updates, or it may require you to continue navigating to see the new language fully. If the change is not immediately visible on the current page, try moving to a different menu area, or simply allow a moment for the updated settings to apply. The key point is that once saved, Odoo uses your new language preference for subsequent screens. When the language change appears, you are done. You can now continue using Odoo with the interface displayed in the language you chose, which should make it easier to work with menus, actions, and form labels. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.